Welcome back to our channel, where we uncover hidden secrets and untold stories from around the world. Today, we embark on an exhilarating journey to the land of ancient wonders, Egypt. Join us as we delve into the enigmatic and captivating pyramids, which have fascinated scholars and explorers for centuries. Get ready to unveil the secret stories about the pyramids of Egypt. Our adventure begins with the iconic Great Pyramid of Giza. Did you know that this magnificent structure was built over 4,500 years ago? It stands as the oldest and largest of the three pyramids in Giza. But what secrets lie within its towering walls? The Great Pyramid's construction techniques continue to baffle researchers. Some believe that advanced knowledge of mathematics and astronomy played a crucial role in aligning the pyramid precisely with the cardinal directions. The precision and complexity of the construction are truly mind-boggling. As we move deeper into our exploration, we encounter hidden chambers and mysterious passageways within the pyramids. These secret spaces have puzzled archaeologists and historians for centuries. Recent advancements in technology have allowed us to uncover hidden chambers and tunnels within the pyramids. One of the most intriguing discoveries was the Queen's Chamber in the Great Pyramid. Despite its name, it remains uncertain who this chamber was intended for. No exploration of the pyramids would be complete without mentioning the enigmatic Sphinx, a mythical creature with the body of a lion and the head of a human. The Sphinx holds its own secrets and riddles. The Sphinx has captivated the imagination of people for centuries. One intriguing theory suggests that the face of the Sphinx represents an ancient pharaoh, possibly Khafra, who ruled during the Old Kingdom. The purpose behind its construction and its connection to the pyramids remains a mystery. Beyond the pyramids themselves, the sprawling complexes surrounding them hold their own hidden stories. These complexes were not only burial sites but also served as centers of religious and cultural activities. The pyramid complexes were meticulously planned, housing temples, causeways, and smaller pyramids. The purpose of these structures varied, from religious rituals to providing eternal resting places for the pharaohs and their families. Exploring these complex sites provides invaluable insights into the lives and beliefs of the ancient Egyptians. Our journey through the secret stories of the pyramids of Egypt has been a thrilling adventure. The pyramids continue to inspire wonder and awe, their ancient mysteries yet to be fully unraveled. Join us next time as we uncover more hidden tales from the annals of history. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave your comments down below. Until then, keep exploring the wonders of our world. Thank you for joining us today on our exploration of the secret stories about the pyramids of Egypt. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow history enthusiasts. Also, let us know in the comments if you have any suggestions for future topics. Until next time, keep seeking knowledge and unraveling the secrets of our extraordinary world.